All right, guys, doing another box of 2019 Hit Parade, or excuse me, the Hidden Treasures autograph baseball. So we've been busting these for a long time. This series is relatively new for us. You got the Lou Gehrig is the Hidden Treasure, or the Diamond Ticket. There's some other great stuff in here. Plus, you've got some crazy names in this one. So you've got Ohtani, Mariano Rivera, Jose Altuve. You've got Mickey Mantle. Hank Aaron's in this. You got Springer, Torres, Stan Musial, Mike Trout. Tons of big names in here. So you got one autographed baseball per box. Andre's got the Braves, Andy H. with the Rockies, Bradley Z. with the Rangers, David K's got the Yankees. Donnie picked up the Diamondbacks, the Royals, the Marlins, the Twins, the A's, the Padres, and the Rays. Edward D. with the Orioles, James H. with the Dodgers, Pirates, and Cardinals. Let's see, Michael D., you've got the White Sox and Brewers. Mike A. with the Red Sox and the Cubs. Ronald K.'s got the Reds, Indians, and Tigers. And then Shane, you've got the Astros, the Angels, the Mets, the Phillies, the Mariners, the Blue Jays, and the Nationals. Tony, see you, buddy. It'd be a good surprise for you, hopefully, when you wake up in the morning. All right, so one autograph baseball. If the team is not listed, and normally it's not unless they've inscribed it, then we'll go based on length of service, or Hall of Fame would be the thing that trumps that. So if it's a Hall of Famer, it's what team they went into the Hall of Fame with. So the only difference would be if they are inscribe a certain year, like if it says Rookie of the Year 1985 or whatever, then we'll go based on the team that he was with when he won that award. So we rarely just do current team. All right, here's a name. I know we've pulled him before. It's going to be a Sparky Lyle. 1977 AL Cy Young. So it's going to be what team he won the Cy Young with in 77. And your guess is as good as mine. Let's see if it says it on here. 3-time All-Star, 2-time World Series champ. So let's check it out. And wouldn't you know, it's going to be a Yankee. Really, no matter how you slice it, that was the longest team he played with is the Yankees as well. So that will be going to the Yankees, which will be David K. So it's no Lou Gehrig or Mickey Mantle or Derek Jeter. Still a nice card, or a nice baseball. Let's double check, make sure there's nothing down in here. So Dave, we'll get that baseball in the mail to you tomorrow. And we've got a few more boxes of this that we'll do. So next one will break next weekend. So it'll end on Saturday night, and we'll break it here next Sunday.